For today's nails, I'm going to be using the Macart Coffin Clear Nails. I purchased these on Amazon. They come in a pack of 500 and you get 10 different sizes. As you can see, these nails are super long, so I did cut mine, but I found that even after cutting mine, I think they were a little bit too long just because I'm not used to wearing long nails. And these sticks, I found them at Walmart at the crafting section. These are meant for cake pops. And I have Scotch mounting tape. And I use the tape to add the nails to the stick. That way it's easier for me to paint my nails. And especially if you're new at doing your own nails at home, you will find that this trick is very convenient. That way you don't get nail polish all over your fingers. I also label the sticks according to what nail I'm putting on there. So for this one, it's going to be L1 for my left thumb. After I have all my nails on the sticks, I will paint them. I'm going to be using the China Glaze nail polish. This is in the color Too Yacht to Handle. To dry my nails, I will be placing my nails on a foam block that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. You can purchase this block at any crafting store. I just go ahead and place the nail parallel to the surface to make sure it dries evenly. For extra sparkle, I'm going to be using the new Holo Taco collection, the Unicorn Skin. This is in the color Cosmic Unicorn Skin, and it has a beautiful pink and purple iridescent shift. And I'm going to be adding this to the entire nail. Extra sparkle and shine, I will be adding some crystals to some of my nails, not all of them. And I purchased these crystals on Amazon. They come in a pack of 2 and they come in different sizes. This one is just showing 3 because I've used all the other ones. I'm going to be placing the crystals on this wooden candle lid. I am not a professional nail technician, so I'm just using whatever I have at home. And then to pick up the crystals, I'm going to be using this stick. On one side, it has a waxy tip, perfect for picking up the crystals. And then the other side is for rearranging your crystals. I will be adding just a little bit of glue to the nail and then adding the crystals. For my pinky, I'm going to be using the unicorn skin. I will not use it on the entire nail, however. I'm just going to use it on the bottom of the nail and then gradually moving it up. This nail I will be also using some crystals, but I'm going to be using the smallest size that I have, and I'm only going to place it on top of the nail just to add a little bit of a sparkle, but not as much as I did on the other nail. For the thumb, I'm going to be using the same technique as I did on the pinky, except this time I'm only going to be adding the unicorn skin. I won't be adding any crystals to this nail. After I have the unicorn skin, I'm going to place the Morgan Taylor Need for Speed just to make sure it dries a little bit quicker. Now for my index finger, I'm going to be using nail ribbon. I also purchased these on Amazon and they come in a pack of, I believe, 20. So I'm just going to place this on the center of the nail for a little bit of sparkle again. Now to prep my natural nails, I will lightly buff all of them, and then after I buff them, I will push the cuticles back. After that, I wash my hands and I use a little bit of alcohol to make sure I don't have any dust or any oils. I will start with the pinky and then move on to, I alternate between left and right, and then at the very end I do my thumb and my index. I just find it a lot easier to hold the nails if I do those two last. And if you want your nails to last longer, I add nail glue to the fake nail and a little bit to my real nail, and then hold it for about 30 seconds to make sure it's put in place. You also want to make sure your nail polish is completely dry. I did not let that happen just because I was impatient and I wanted my nails on, but I recommend that you let them dry overnight. It's because you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on that, and if they're not dry, you're going to have smears everywhere. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches to make sure everything looks smooth. And these are the finished nails. I really love the way it came out. And all the sparkle, all the glitter, it really makes a difference, especially if you put it towards sunlight. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.